not tell this Pikin me enters. Omozo they learn. Omozo they learn. Me wa me mo gbomozo no wa. You know mozo we solid is mo be mo balance eh. Ama we men oduma aba. Eh boy na win ni. Eh boy na win ni. Yeah, take be ngore your egbere. Not be play. If this boy saying the Chris, I will feel beat the Chris. Oh no, be you way. We might take we go. Man is supporting US's. That what go we go. That is supported. Oh man, no be US's. They no be you. No, they no may yak be you. Mazo. O might take go. O might take go. You cannot talk. Where? Yeah, is a boy. Ah God. You come with a picture done. Where? You will be pity. Where? Done. Done. Il jouait. Il jouait à sofa na hina. Where il jouait à sofa. Il jouait à sofa na hina. Il jouait. Il tourne mouillou. Ouais, il est ouais. Mama tibwe na lawa. Eh God. Il jouait à sofa na hina. Et plate ni e kakpe la. Je vais faire ça bon na hina. Il tourne mouillou. O permet. On a te permis. Et permet tout. You men at your makeup is again. Ororo ya wunu. Ororo. Where first makeup 1967. This time, we move for. We do a record na. A record not a zingbe. A yana zingbe because you do na kazingbe no. Oweta zingbe me light fire. I no go light fire. We a record na. Wa berewe izingbe or a record na. Is work pay. Bege not pay. Izingbe. So ya izingbe here. Ni edit 72 hours in way. May I see one video from Matt again. The time where your mama do pay me like this. Again, I go to tears to you. Ubege ni will pay me. Yegi we pay me na. Yeg bane. Again, ya will pay me na. Yegi we na. Lady your song. Tio be well. Wa. You see your kono bad. We pay me na. Pay me we una. Ya time yes ya we pay me na. Go tell your daughter your son. We pay me the principle like that. Ya no yes ya we pay me na. And I'm at here pay me the grenade. Pay me. If when you go with pay me, I understand it. Are you hearing me? If you are hearing me, say yes. Let me know if they are hearing me. Are you hearing me? Yeah. Are you hearing me? Hello? They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. David, Mona share and give us say the tell way mama do this pay me. May David go reason now. You want to come out and drag the prince. And lawa ave sugusugu na hina in a wegbe. And lawa you want to drag the prince. And lawa awa na wegbe. Hello. 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 Confused people. There are so many confused people. Okay, let's continue your record. The record is working on. Let's continue your record.
Now when they talk, so I know a lot of rubbish when I don't use my mouth. Take chop, take talo for this media. Enoge wait Enoge. Now share now call the video go give it. Enoge wey small pikin dey insult for TikTok because of gift, bro. You are a shame.
Yeah, insult Enoge.
Lumba, that boy that they call Lumba.
Wait about Enoge.
That boy that they call Lumba.
Wait for Enoge. We're back here now, Mazwa. Wait for Enoge. Ebola, obada we. Ematu we are wari ayawa. We are wari ayawa, my brother. We are wari ayawa. Where you the doggy? You must see I'm not hearing. Where? I'm not hearing.
because of gift, bro. You are ashamed.
E.
Na mat, take chop, take talo for this media. Enoge wey dey, enoge. Now share, now call the video, go give it. Enoge wey small pikin dey insult for TikTok because of gift, bro. You are ashamed. Lumba, that boy that they call Lumba. That boy that they call Lumba for TikTok. I see the way no that boy humiliated you. Then you are Louis, you say the way you take the leak, married women Toto. Bro, the way you take the sleep with married women, they go.
Société douce.
We be blackmailing, man. No get still married men. We want to blackmail them. We are always social media is a member buwelare. Estari welawa. Estabe social media jaje. Me aswe na so atoge ne. We adu member bowa. E no give member beba no the prove real. Abe na member bowa esta. We na member bowa esta. We beg of it to ge na. Imagine on la media banner. Ebe bo he wa mu gbe. E me aswe la media na so atoge ne. Oh, we no get love here. What I we better. Now listen. I'm not hearing. Man.
No, we are good here.
I'm not hearing.
That
I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you.
enoge wey dey, enoge. Now share, now call the video, go give it. Enoge wey small pikin dey insult for TikTok because of gift, bro. You are ashamed. Lumba, that boy that they call Lumba. That boy that they call Lumba for TikTok. I see the way we are good here. That boy humiliated you. Then you are Louis, you say the way you take the leak, married women Toto. Bro, the way you take the sleep with married women, they go for Europe. E not talk, huh? I been na my match for here now. Not be waiting no back tell us for TikTok live.
David they talk so. David they talk so.
For married women, may your life for
Esther Pikin.
because your life be now, your life don't bend. I see your life be. He say may you stay away from married women. May you know they leak married women to again, brother. May your life go straight.
Imagine. Well, now the year now they pull up. If they say may bring evidence now, this boy will fit bring the evidence. This boy will fit bring evidence. Say maybe one married woman wey no get don't leak it to. You fit bring evidence. I remember Bebana. When you remember Bebana. I remember Bebana. Where if we have a power, we will be sure we will where. Larry, I'm a Bogba. Oh, Ghana. I don't want let me jam over here. I'm a Bogba media. Nejue, I have a Bogba. Nejue, you are not hearing me. Nejue, who will Larry? Who will my Bogba media? Tamawe. Oh, the Tamawe. Oh, you are a Tamawe. You have my Bogba. You are more than you are more. Where we move over owner. I'm not here. Let's go in. Let's be going.
He said, may you stay clear for married women. May your life was straight. Because your life be now, your life don't bend. That's what your life be. He said, may you stay away from married women. May you know they leak married women to again, brother. May your life was straight. Small boy, like give you that advice, right? To know how shameful your life has become. If you like, not take that advice, eh? Let me tell you one word. You don't get too perfect for this level. You do say all the human beings for this world perfect. We are all imperfect people. Nobody perfect. You don't understand me? we all make a lot of mistakes in our life. So, but I think the only good thing that could actually come aside from making any mistake is taking accountability, learning from it as an experience, and try to be a better person from it. Which I know that I will definitely hold up to. Being a better person for my mom, being a better person for my mom, for my family, my siblings.
Why be say you know they talk about your dad? Where better person to your dad? Everywhere ni efian wa. Everywhere di epishe ramalade oda we gbe. Ave blogger ba ti epishe ramalade am. Ya wo. I be omo. Is it age when we are a better person now? We see you follow on social media. You never drag your father one day. You never come out to say, my father, why did you neglect us to only our mother? My father, why did you so stupid for neglecting us to our mother? You have never dragged your father. If Eran also woni, drag it. Eran is as like me, we like me, like me, eh? Drag Erani. Erane, ne will be no zoo. Eran okay no mula, you can drag it. Eran no beg away, boy, not one. He's dragging his father because his father neglected them. Why is he dragging his father today? Because people will now say, this useless boy is dragging his father today because why? His father neglected them. People will be happy with you. People will be happy with you, but you are dragging only your mother. You are insulting only your mother. Now we now came out to say, why are you insulting your mother? You are started insulting us. Where? A mother, our boy. Where worry? Where? You will hear pain for your mouth again. You will hear pain. You will see and say your mama will train again. Don't worry. And in a bad way, that you take train. In a bad way. More hear pain. No say never. You you argue where to go with family la wa where. Unsusu. Esa take okay muere. Me mashera no biwe or bienike. Me mashera no biwe or bienike. Where? Ah, God damn. Man, shot.
Hold up to being a better person for my mom, being a better person for my mom, for my family, my siblings,
My stepfather got to boy. Larry, when stepfather got to boy, by this time, if your stepfather not get brain, this time may use the brain. Everybody they watch. If your stepfather not use his sense, I cannot share this period. Media, everybody they media. You know your father not use a kanushi. Your father need to use a kanushi. Your stepfather, your stepfather, he need to use a kanushi this period. If your stepfather not use a kanushi, well, I don't know what is going on. There was a technical with video, the video in go viral in that way. Esther, when you only act it take you the destiny, but everybody commonalize that video. I've done a video for a very long time. This matter with Esther, why I get baluk better? Why I get baluk better? But today, I don't know what is going on. So about mine not gone. But I pray that everything should be successful. I pray that everything should be good. I pray that they should be doing well in their endeavors situation, in their endeavors business. But this boy, I will treat you for up. Now you pay for your matter again.
My siblings, my stepfather, I fuck up. Yeah, I fuck up well because those things were not actually right for me to accept.
Jesus. Me too said what? Binella wagbe. Mute Saduwa. Mute Saduwa. Mute Saduwa. The boy now. The boy now.
My family, my siblings, you know, my
My brother,
stepfather.
good morning. Oh.
Hello?
Hello, brother. Good morning.
Yeah, I greet you.
We are here now, Chema.
I greet you. Talk to me. Unmute yourself and talk. Unmute yourself and talk. Agwamba.
Meweka.
Yeah, I work Gwangwana. Continue.
Matan weta or you may ya you're doing. Wage.
Speak English. Speak English. Make carry everybody along.
Okay. For that the this lady Esther with Destiny Bagwa, you really sure say na that woman tie that man.
Who does it tire? Me work baloya.
Only a video wewu.
The video is not when you allow. What's that? Yeah, now was a messy. When you are watching the video.
My brother, for me, now my opinion, me want talk. Everybody get opinion. For that one, I not believe say anything charm he did there because anywhere where money dey, nobody will not go love that priest. You understand? But wetin this boy do, he mama, for me, I no support. He not doing well. Both the stepfather, he not doing well. You understand? Me sef, I see talk say me go do video put. Me go beg mama, me go beg stepfather.
But he come out, he come out, they insult us. How you see how they insult us now?
That insult, nothing. If you small pikin cost you, you not go reason am.
Wait.
If you small pikin cost you, I no go reason am because that cost, e no go do me anything. But I know the time we cost, I no dey as we talk and na me just see talk put because that boy, if he not be him mama, nobody know am. All the suffer wey him mama suffer, where soup go dey house, garri no go dey house. Where garri go dey house, soup no go dey house. Wetin him papa don do for am?
Ask
Whether
him.
he dey cry now say he wan go meet him papa, him mama no accept, I go dey hear.
Let me ask her.
Since when me grow reach like this, suffer for Libya before I enter Europe. I know the suffer was. Me mama go put this boy, me go put am for Libya. If he come out, he go wise. If he come out, he go wise. This boy no fit talk, he no know the time wey mama dey suffer. I know say nobody will not suffer, but suffer dey pass suffer. After many years wey your papa run,
No man,
how much you don receive for your papa hand
let me tell her. Let me tell her.
since we grow reach like this? How much you don receive for your papa hand? Say, my papa send me 500,000 or maybe my papa send me 200,000. After your mama don get, e don dey okay. Now your papa come out. Person wey dem never. If me say and me no go know am. If e no be Esther, we come make all of the popular. Who know them? You born now, you no fit train your pikin. Na your papa, na your mama, na still dey take up your pikin. And now, you dey carry different girls dey come house, dey borrow money, follow everywhere. The name of your mama. So people see dey. That is some girls useless. If you not take time because of your mama, they will try to friend the pikin. Say over stand na him, him mama get money him mama dey okay na Misha na this I want friend the pikin, maybe through there go do marry, go do this. For where they respect mama, this one never reach. As they friend different girl, they not go hold one. Now so your papa ball of natural way, you not marry your mama. Okay, now you with this small pikin, you want to continue that life. That kind of thing not make sense. You get what that they do. Where they will call person come out, that respect go dey body. Anywhere where your mama dey now, that respect you don't dey body.
Don't be smarting, my brother. Don't be smarting.
Abeg, only one thing wey me no like for inside. If anybody want advance am, make dem advance am. But the cost wey they cost this boy, e no good. E no good. Because you get platform where I just see where I just dey yesterday, I not come up. The way they take the insult am, the cost wey they cost am, e no dey okay. If anybody want advance am, they go advance am. That cost of it is not good.
No play with this boy with the insult just now. Man, see what you tell her.
Esther Edopa Pikin David B. The way he don't try reach for this Edo cyberspace, we suppose invite her come GROA, do operation for her. Sorry, we suppose invite her come, do ovation for her. It is a ovation because I don't know whether many of you have seen her before. You know, if you born Pikin, we not too know yourself. Era ọmọ bọ gbogbo na me ma emi ọmọ na gbije ọmọ pia na gbije de wo ka oni me wa na so
on asoni ewe on asoni era ni oga devewa lari mo hi ka bo gbera we la dia we saga David uwe mana lawa eruwe ni oduwe ni na gbe eze gbera ni iya mi we worry
na do see am before. You know if you
we gbedogun David we gbedogun
era ọmọ bọ gbogbo na me ma emi ọmọ na gbije ọmọ pia na gbije de wo ka oni me wa na so David, you deserve award. Hope you are enjoying the compliment and ovation where those cyberspace they give you. I believe you enjoy the compliment. Bring your account, come out, my brother. Make do GoFundMe for you. Because Superstar Pikin, I be me 3 million naira. I said to be like club. No ya bomi kebewa. When you go se wo da we me ati royo mabo. O ma ri ba gbeso. Opa pa oja mo ma kon concern you. You deserve one, my brother. You can't well like make do GoFundMe. And lastly, you say Superstar Pikin, even though if you see them, our brother now, our female brother, then Jetun, then Alaska Pikin, then Soken, our fathers, they be legendary children. They ride motor. Now they have a papa for them. So you're supposed make your mama make it buy for you as well. Who believe you married then when? Who may have one of the biggest car stand in the whole of Siloko Road. I did Jeff Moto. Who may have power no ade. I want no nyaba community with them why. Or when they went the day now be it might not fit any because no na ya mo Nana ya mo ya be that way mambo that we say call am royal mambo for GRO ya ma for there. Nana ya mo ale ki okeke moto in chonchon.
Okay.
Nigeria made a give.
Well, iya malare na ye ya mal pass ko. Na ye I make the boy call Sansan ya mages. Larry, what a boy the happiness. What ya tell me ya mages. U beg odo fioni ya mages. What's your Korea happiness? What's up, Yamari?
It might not fit any because Nana ya mo Nana ya mo ya be that way mambo that we say call am royal mambo for GRO ya ma for there. Nana ya mo ale ki okeke moto in chonchon. If Nigeria made a give you GLA, we only start maybe before now 3 months. As you don't drag your mama from India now, and hence more money made they go do for the GoFundMe. You go add money join that GLA, take carry AMG. You deserve one, my brother. They don't to drag you for this matter. I like how they still drag you small. I don't get anything I want to talk. What I want to talk, other people don't talk. But one thing I want to ask you, dear, you did this me.
Société Le Fouetté, découvrez le plaisir. Société.
Voilà, deal. My people, voilà, deal.
Where they drag your mama since then. So you get mad like this, you get time to write like this. Woman, you like. It's when you go. Is sorting here. Me na know where no be on road dinner. I would ask myself, many are over USA media now. Malaja want to do have me aware. Why not they cost my mama? I will say,
You see what I talk to? Know why this, but this don't want mention name. If I know how vision you a fracomozo or visions is the better man to see you again. Our unu ne boy na vena. Me mami odo ya gbe odo ya gbomozo. But we say no egbe nogi una is 18. Or we say egbe don please when I got me don mugu. When I got me don mugu that way watch video na asa guy me. Is asa gala we gbo kana. Oh gala do do dey why acha. Is asa gala we gbe. Ibe carry away share. Ibe carry away share. Where? Lare, where do dey wacha? Ibe carry away share. Awo kana. When you do go with an amwe bogbo na. Is you when you what you get by. When you do you get by. Is asa gala we gbe. Oh mo dog le wa mi. Ọmọ náà máa ti gbé Frank ìwọ gbíjẹ ó wẹ̀ kí sọ́pọ́tì Frank wẹ̀ sàlẹ̀ bọ́à sàgùn ẹ̀ gbé gbọmọ náà sàgùn ẹ̀ gbé gbọmọ náà sàgùn ẹ̀ gbé gbọmọ náà ọmọ dáná ọmọ náà ti gbíjẹ wà jẹ ké ọtí sẹ̀rí jẹ lọ́bẹ̀ kẹta mọ̀ wá mọ̀ rí yà ọmọ náà ti gbíjẹ gbèmí yà lọ́bẹ̀ kẹta mọ̀ rí yà ebo ẹ̀ náà ìsàsà àgàlà wẹ̀ gbé wògbé wà ó nu gbé ju wà òun ju ọ̀gá tó gbé wògbé òun ju ọ̀gá tó gbé wà fún wà ó nu gbé tún ẹ̀ wà òun tún ọ̀gá tó gbé wògbé òun tún ọ̀gá tó gbé wà fún ìsàsà àgàlà wẹ̀ gbé lárí ẹ̀tọ́ àdó ìsàgà Ade, Matiwe, Ade.
me now know where don't be on road dinner. I would ask myself, many are over USA media now. Malaja want to do have me aware. Why not they cost my mama?
You don't come out. Amalaja.
I will say not damage everywhere. Yeah, we are not where they will go. Una deported boy. Okay, say but the boy are boy. No place like home. Say no no. What's wrong? Obvious pastor. Who you want? Who after I told you what? Oh wait you want? I'm going boy. You do what? No, I'm not. What? You do what? I'm going. If I get myself, I'm going. Hey, lucky. Hey, you might let your son give me away. Hey, you have
a video na here be.
The video no, I see happiness. Always video you the matter. Hey,
Okay.
You don't about happiness in the sea. I mean, no happiness where we be a word you or we be away. Happiness is jay.
Then a maro we just say, or mother way video where you sort your back.
A tune you will not be supporting the boy that my back one day. The man boy not going here. The man go I boy not. Yeah, is it? I beg you, this boy do video. Give me a blogger for that career. A boy now we be with video blogger wa mwe de masoni ne saga. Na vie mi na gwela dia. Na wabe iwe wabun we wabera no zuani idele izaza gale dile gbe. Am idele la dem ma we worry. Obi oba idele obi oba ne obi oba idele obi oba no obi oba am we la tapa. Obi oba no zedu. Obi oba no zedu idele. Ama mu idele la de oge no. Where I am with Dele like dealing with Mules is there. Oh, Ladiaba very soon. Idele must come out. We are market. Then Idele where they hide. Idele Ladiane, your man will come down. Your man will come day. As Idele never come out now, your man never day. We relax. Continue. We go with video. We video. Like hey David, mona writing here. Wa gbin here, wa wona we video. Or more than with video. What your David, what your more than with video. Where any party na move now, desire our saga and move party. Where we are with Beku anywhere. Where hey, life for stage. I'm on the life for on one of the life for stage we will. Ah, God, yeah, well, me mafo the shy, we will. I mean, mafo, me mafo. Una see us finish. What come to take by no more Euro talk? But I don't even join. On never got when I don't go again. This boy was on now. You got 1 million with sitting with my boy sitting there. Where? Larry, 1 million we both for. 1 million we both for. Where they not there? Where the little to not go where? You see me call you money to wash you. You know what you want to finish you now, eh? Carry any music for Nigeria. We will see the person that picture, even the barrier. Our saga was barrier nowhere. Where man with your boy? Where? Who man with your boy? Anybody give this boy music? When a video that come out, the dead body, saga dead body. Where? We will be to. We will be to a saga dead body. We marriage. A marriage in home. I say, even when no more marriage, they go cry. Even no more marriage. Even no more. Anybody carry this boy. The shop na carry. One more na no so. E boy na man of your boy. You know what you want. Is azagala we azagala. We no make it befra komozo. Where? We no give we agbe one the priest. Oh two. We that beg you one. E want the contract to cyberspace.
Otioma, wabe, if you see here, because mo not dey look one side though, you understand? Mo say look the other side.
Which other side?
Because the other side wey me want, why you see reason for my own now? I know say the boy, he wrong for everything wey he do. My man see they tell me say all those things, if it be say not be ordinary hand. Because many people now,
They sort us.
not be for you.
Now be honorary and they sort us. You know the mugu yata. Other than the yata.
Because some people see there now.
This boy know what they do. This boy not be small. You know what they do. Azena, he had Azena on the head.
No be the thing now because if you reason and many people now that they want make them bring mama down. Maybe they not fit.
If you never know
see pass through it Pikin.
Well, see. Me I go know. Away that way they use Vada, Domugu. Where I get Domugu at me, Domugu me ma worry. Okay, we are
Okay, in send the video go be in a live platform go away.
Okay, when you make basi we ma see make basi na.
Okay, boy now we ya be na.
A boy na we stand na. Ote body ma wa no gisi we ma wa.
Me ma bet maybe me no na be do him ya no na when I be forgiving and mind the reason.
The next after like I say 26 minutes. On a bill that's why I saw him. Oh, my mama, you see.
My brother, ya wo bona ya gbo yo ma, ave ya see a secret be. Anything already who ebo ya ye we forgive na wa be because nye so run we to bo we ave who where we do regret it where boy you me one I mean you understand because gba no ma fo no work bad in error
that why we be fracky by banner. Okay, women my yagbe problem. But you not see muzzle, I am muzzle. I don't
everybody just see forgive because he do a lot of things for mistake.
Begbo I don't mean who no jewe matter. Amen. You are not hearing me. Begbo Wisa. I don't mean who no jewe matter. Amen. We are watch. Hey boy now. We are watch.
Oh her body. Who has bebe yo? Who ya see mo? E lo ko wen. E pe won we na who are US. E go no gbe ma check for check. US we akegbepe for say boy yo ba ya ke chori for say u kio NS here. U kio for ship it. Oh ru e ko ne ma ti ogbe na ni ju eru da ju ma ri motor pa no. U ya ru le so da we ya ma be ro ma bo. Ya mo shawo. Oh ru e ko wa ro bi je me na. Wa ro bi ete. O mo be ru gbeje. Use na ja gbe asan to a aye gbo asan ni wo ba ala mu wa to aya gbo asan bo we kebe ifuna ka
we wana gbasa happiness you are not hearing me wana gbasa lare happiness we na gbasa wo o we na wa pada muari wo a egbo no wa o we se egbo amelu egbo aviasan de egbo happiness. I say mercy.
O mo be gbeje. Use na ja gbe asan to a. Aye gbo asan ni wo ba. Aga mu wa to a. Aya gbo asan bo we. If una cash no be only thief dey dance. Anywhere na see. Make una hold on. Make una record na make it dance. Waga we be na woji. Wait till you do. I dey stop my mama. Wait till you oh wa twerk. What try no wa we.
E boy na we there. This is na. Why I could hack berry there? Hack believe you egbe. Ah, pack me malaria. Wait till you do. You sort my ebola. Happiness is that other thing. Happiness. Where the thing where. Woman that has the way we say. Yeah, really happiness. Where the thing. Epo enetita we thing happiness na. Happiness. Where? Uasiazen is azaga alawe gbe go azaga alawe gbe. Happiness uasiazen. And then you have me to kuna asiazen where when I believe you why would I April na
Nuwe ye. Use na ya gbe asan bo to a. Aye gbo asan ni wo wa. Aga mu wa mo ari to a. Aya gbo asan bolo we kebe. If una cash no be only thief dey dance. Anywhere una see David. Make una hold on. Make una record na make it dance. Waga we na woji. Wait till you do. I dey stop my mama. Wait till you at work. One try no wa we boy. Omo ya na kin. If una give her this hand. Last, he man away willing. A boy now, you wa, instrument. I am woko as big as your mother.
Oh, BJ, I want you wa, instrument. Oh, yeah, mono. It can not best really. And the boy, yage boy, I wear my bonnet. One mwe, avant you, wa moya. Slow poison. Vamos, slow poison. Avant meu. Boy, no. Small boy, what begin? Oh, meu. You be why boy. You be why boy. Oh, what you know? What go. If you dey watch me now, you go dey laugh also laugh because why you be why boy? Oh, me why David, you are a why boy. Oh, now will help me. Who see my helper? You be why boy. You be why boy. Oh, why you?
Hello, Don. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Not be morning. Would they say good afternoon?
No morning, I day, my brother. Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good morning.
Na Canada you dey. No verse. Na Canada you dey.
Yeah.
Okay, no verse.
I so much. What I'll get to talk for this matter. Be saying now God will bless all of una for this being cyberspace. This is one of the two when I don't do when I really appreciate and my most happiest thing. Now God will bless all of una, all of una.
Both the first time why they say do people talk one unity.
I swear to God, both the woman hater, both everybody. The woman lovers, everybody. This boy is a very make God not let him be useless speaking. I pray make he learn new thing as he really be for this matter. Make he really learn.
This boy,
honestly, now God will bless all of them.
This boy, the saga no gay.
No mind, I think I just now. They mumu, they fool himself. He can't even explain what he make a lie way make a police can't find you. Police go to tell your neighbor when he can't find you for abroad. Go to tell her what you do. If they explain rubbish, he still they use matter till they tie himself. For you to your need that they beg, they cry. If they do like this thing, make him mama. I just go beg him mama. I just go beg him mama. Make it now Pikin, but make it let her learn. Make it not just a step like that. Make she get that man. I know say she not get the man. Make it let her learn. This boy, he go learn new thing. Now God go bless all of una. Let me I just can't talk with that. God go bless all of una. For this one, help this woman do so. Because they expect it to say the thing turn around and beat him, mama. This boy for all camera for not come out.
No, beat mama. This boy for stand with them. If to say the thing turn around, say maybe the beat tester for this boy. This boy for join the beat tester.
Now God go bless. I don't expect that from now.
All the old secret wey be say we never hear for social media. This boy for bring everything.
Everything.
This idiot too. Where?
Now God go bless all of una. Now God go bless all of una. I appreciate you.
We will learn new things. Don't worry. I greet you, Baba.
Thank you.
Now, they hear me so. If to say social media, Edo cyberspace, work bobon, Edo cyberspace. Edo cyberspace, work bobon, ma. Work bobon, Edo cyberspace. God damn, work bobon. Work bobon. You need even work bobon. Una clap for Edo cyberspace now. What did you saw? Need even work bobon. Ladian, ale, ule ogboa, ladian. Even that way, only Larry. When I clap for those cyberspace, once the time when they see try, yeah, we have we yeah. Only a clapper. Imagine only a clap. On a quick clap. Look, we clap for this about space. Look, we clap for this about space. What's in history? Now we clap in this about space. At least 90% he try. But this boy, when he come in now to call insult us, I will be like, I will apologize. I will apologize. All this clap, now those about space get on. All of my way those about space. And I get all this clap.